Hi, this is my video for GiveDirectly for Project for Awesome 2018. Happy holidays, everyone. I wish you a season of love and cheer as you spend time with friends and family, enjoy the lights, eat too much food, and give someone you love exactly what they wanted. I also hope, for your loved one's sake, that you're really good at pretending things are exactly what you wanted. Your great aunt buys you ugly sweaters because she loves you. But wouldn't it be nice if she just gave you cash instead? GiveDirectly is the charity that doesn't buy ugly sweaters. They think the people who know best what extremely poor people need are those people themselves. Instead of giving livestock to people who might not be able to afford feeding them, or buying school uniforms for kids who have to spend all day fetching water instead of studying, GiveDirectly just gives people money so they can decide themselves how to fix their problems. So, how are people using the money? And how is it changing their lives? GiveDirectly asks that question. Here's what people answered. I really want to first go back to school, be it college or vocational training, so that I can get skills that will enable me to be self-employed, since where I work the cash I earn is too little to sustain my needs. Secondly, I would want to put up a business, salon, because that's what I have passion for. Thirdly, I want to pay fees for my child, so she can learn and have a better future for herself. I feel there is peace of mind, because initially I could not seek medical attention because of finances, but I can get any treatment that I require now. I became so happy when I saw a message of money, and I danced. I woke up my spouse from sleep, and we were both rejoicing about this assistance. I want to be the best programmer there is, in Africa and in the world. I would want to be a performing artist. Help people like Salome, Joyce, Irene, and Harrison realize their dreams. Vote for GiveDirectly for Project for Awesome 2018.